Hello! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Next, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu until you find the display and brightness icon and tap on it. And here, make sure that the option called auto brightness is disabled if you want to adjust the screen brightness. So disable the auto brightness, then tap on brightness, and now we can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider like this. And once you're done, simply press the crown button to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.